Good day, ma. Welcome.
Please, how much is your makeup?
Makeup is 10,000 naira, ma.
For what now? It's just small thing I want to do, like not very serious. I just want to. I'm just going out with my friends. That's just it.
Ma, it's
Not-
10,000 naira.
See, I don't stay in Carabao. I stay in Abuja, and in Abuja, even home service is not more than 5K. So I don't know what you are saying.
Ma, it's not. That's not true. Makeup is 10,000 naira, please.
Wait, let me call my friend that told me to come here. See, I did not plan to spend anything. I thought it was like 3K or something. Home service in Abuja is 5,000.
Hello, ma. Welcome. Do you have any look in mind?
Yes, actually, this is Nengi. Immediately she posted this picture, I just knew that I wanted this exact look. I want the eyes. Do you have these contacts? That same color?
I'll check.
Okay, so I want the contacts. I don't know. My hair is just. I just packed my hair under this wig, so you can take it up. You can do the ponytail. I don't know. Shay, you know how to style hair now.
Okay.
And we can get this. I want to look exactly like this. The same lips, the same eyes, the same thing. You have that foundation, right?
Ma, you know this is a light skin. Neng is a little bit lighter than you.
What are
And
you
it's
saying?
so-
I'm not a dark person, no.
Gang,
Look
gang.
at it now. Look, we're not so different. I'm not a dark person. It's just see, I've been going through a lot of things lately. That's why I just look a little bit. I'm a fair person. Okay, wait. Let me. If I show you my younger sister, I'm actually lighter than she is, but just because of it. So I don't. It will not be so different. You will just blend it in now. I can look like that. I want to do. See, it's my birthday shoot. My birthday is in 2 weeks, so I want to do my photo shoot in 2 weeks. By then, I would have entered back into my real color. It will not be different. I'm not a dark person. To be very serious.
Okay, ma. All right.
You can do it, Abi.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Sorry, please. What product is this?
My foundation.
What foundation? I only use Fenty. I'm sorry. I actually was supposed to come with my product. What brand is this? I don't even know it. I react a lot to cheap brands. I only use high-end products. If you don't have Fenty, I think what's the other one? I don't know, but please, maybe MAC. I can't use this.
Ma.
I'm paying you. I don't know what you're doing. You have to use the products that I want. If you need me to pay you more, I would, but I'm sorry, you don't use that on my face. See, I'm reacting because I allow the makeup artist, someone like you, to use cheap products on my face. Look at my face. I can't. No, I'm sorry.
Okay, ma. Sorry, ma.
Do you have Fenty? Sorry, are you sure this foundation is not too dark for me?
No, ma.
This is not the one I usually use. What color is this? It's looking like it's too dark. Please,
Ma, it blends very well with your skin. Just let me finish, okay?
please, can you get a shade that is 2 times lighter than this? Please, this
Ma,
is
it's going to be too light for
No,
you.
I'm not a dark person. No, I'm not a dark person. See, it's just some things, but you need to blend with my skin. My skin is fair. You cannot. This one is for a very dark person now. I'm not dark.
Okay, ma.
Just use a light. Let me just see something that you have.
Is this better?
This is the color that I normally use. Just blend
God
it
have
and use
mercy
it
upon
into my
us.
skin. I'm actually a fair person. If you look very well, look, I'm fair. This is not my color.
Ma, this is too light.
No, blend it in. Blend it in. This is my color.
Okay.
I think you should add more of the brighter one. See, does it not blend?
Not exactly.
No, it blends with my skin. Let me see this other. Look now. Look at it now. This one is my
God
color.
have mercy upon us.
Please, I'm not a dark person.
Okay, ma.
And please, I want my makeup to be very subtle. I don't want too much. I want it to be very natural. Let it sit in my skin very well. As if I'm not wearing makeup. But of course, you know that look. Just please, you wipe this side though.
Okay, ma.
All the way. Let it not stain this other side. Just wipe away the darker one.
Okay.
But that's not even, how did you think that that's my color now?
I'm sorry, ma.
So don't worry.
Ma, please close your eyes.
Should I tell you? Oh, I know you did a lot.
Ma, please close your eyes. Sorry.
It's actually not.
Please, I don't want it to be too much. I don't want heavy makeup. I like my makeup to be nice and subtle.
Okay, ma. Alright, just close your eyes, please.
Have you applied on this other side? Here.
Not yet. Just let me finish, please.
Okay.
Now, can you please just look down, like close your eyes? Is it subtle enough?
Are you not going to add like maybe smoky eye at the end, this side?
You said you wanted it very light.
Yes, I know now, but you can still have light smoky eyes.
Wow. Okay. Alright, close your eyes, please.
Let me see the one that you're using.
Is this shade to smoke it out?
No, it's not dark now. It's not dark. I want it to be nude, but I also want it to be darker. Like, let's just be this side. You know that look here. You know what they do. Like, are you not a makeup artist?
Okay, ma.
See, my sister is a makeup artist. It's just that she's busy. She's busy. That's why. I know. See, let me explain. Wait, let me explain it. I want it to be soft. I want to have the nude undertone, but I still want to have smoky eyes. Do you understand?
Okay.
And how come you're even? Are you not supposed? Like, I thought you were supposed to like draw my brows first before you go to my eyes. How do you? This is how you do your own. This is how people do in Calabar.
This is how I do mine. After the eyeshadow, I'll do the brows.
Oh, really? I thought, isn't there a method to this thing? Like, you first of all do the brows, like, and everything before. Well, I hope it will come out nice. Really. See, it was someone that told me to come here. I really don't use makeup artists in Calabar. When I have events, my sister is a makeup artist. Like, she's a top makeup artist in Abuja. So I mean.
Alright. Okay, can you please just close your eyes? Is it dark enough, or should I still make it darker?
That's okay. I think I forgot. You forgot to put contact. I want contacts actually. I'm sorry. I hope it's not too late. Is this thing? I think I'm allergic to it.
Just relax. Let me clean it off. Look up. Look up. Look up.
Please, do you have to shave the brows? I don't shave my brows though.
Yes, ma, I have to.
Please let me get a mirror. I don't shave my brows. I'm not going to be wearing makeup every day, so you cannot shave my brows. Can't you conceal it? I don't know what's that thing you people do. No, please don't shave my brows though.
Ma, it's just the excess. Underneath.
There's no, look at it now. There's no excess. No, don't. You can't shave my brows. Can you not just go ahead with the makeup like that?
Okay, ma. Yes, ma.
Sorry, please. Wait, let me do something. I don't draw my brows like this. You have to extend it, like see, I'm a makeup artist, but I want someone else to touch my face. You know how when you always do people's makeup, but you want someone else to do your makeup. So please just take it up, like here. Just take it up a bit.
Okay, ma.
And take it up. Take it up again, like up. And let me see the pencil you are using. It's not Davis, is it? Okay, it's Davis. Please, just take it up a bit.
Should I still extend it?
Yes, just let it match with this part of my eye.
Okay, ma.
Do it like that. When you're concealing, you don't conceal the top part of it, and I don't want that shiny stuff here. Do you understand? Do you understand? But I want everything to be very light. Everything should be very light. Don't do too much. You don't extend it too much. Don't do too much. But let's just be the way I like it. Do you understand?
Okay, ma. Okay.
No, I think that you're adding too much at the front. Just reduce it. See, wait, let me show you a picture. Oh, my phone has gone off. But I was going to show you a picture of how I do my brows. See, you just make it. Just do.
Is it okay like this?
just do it anyhow.
Is it okay like this?
Wait, let me see. It's okay, but don't do again. Don't rub again. Let me just see.